Here we have a work table that was here when we bought the place, and it's turned out to be a real handy table. We've done a lot of window work on it. We take it outside when we need to. Right now it's in the basement, and it's been in here most of the time because it's a really nice place to work. So over the 5 or 6 years we've been using it, it's really been just a catch-all spot. And it seemed a little low, and at one point I had some 2x4s just laying on here with boards across. And I noticed it was a nice place to store my tools underneath. So now I'm going all out, and I'm making a top. So I put some 2x4s, and I put an end cap on, so it's going to hold the top on both sides. Now it can still slide sideways, but that'll stop two directions. And then we're cutting some 48-inch hemlock boards, and we're going to screw them down, so we're going to have this nice area underneath when we're working on it that we can store tools. So we're calling it a day, but we'll get back at this tomorrow and probably finish it up.